Here we go. I just met these guys here from Kentucky. Say hello, guys. What's going on, man? You guys all right? All right. Here we go, man. That's where he's going, right down there. We're gonna land it right on top of Isaac. I see him over there, right on the wave. I'm gonna try to keep it as steady, Freddy as possible. Really hard to see with this brightness. All right, so that was a quick fast forward, right? And we got here to this location. One of the things to note while we're here, you see Isaac's just getting into it. He's getting into that wave, but this beautiful young lady's on the sideline. Look at that nice turn, man. She is just watching Isaac and the policeman as he pulls up here to see what's going on. Now watch what goes on here with Isaac. He is getting ready to jam on a turn. It looks like the back of his yak is stuck too. And then there we go, super slow-mo on Zino2. Now check this out. They get caught. He flipped this thing. He's so experienced. He turns it around and he stays in the wave. Never loses the beat. That is crazy nice. But looking on the bank, you can see the policeman walking out, casually looking over. The beautiful young lady that's sun tanning on that nice towel is looking at the policeman, looking at Isaac. Everybody's just gathering around to see what's going on. But Isaac don't seem to care. He is just ripping this wave up. But man, look at all the freaking debris that's flying down. The river is in like 15 feet above flood stage. And you can see right here as I'm pulling away and then pulling back in with the drone. But you see all the people enjoying the river, watching how crazy this river is when it gets in flood stage. So here he goes. And one of the things to note with the Zino2 is that you can slow this puppy down to about 20% of the original speed and get it to look just right. But look at the shots I'm getting with the Zino2. I'm flying directly above him. It's a cloudy day. And the Zino's camera settings are 4K 60 frames a second, and I have it on cloudy, and everything else is on automatic. The only thing I have set manually is cloudy. So yeah, check this out, guys. This is super nice. I rendered the video in 4K 60 frames a second and uploaded it to YouTube in 4K. Amazing, right? Have somebody that good on a kayak. But man, look at the size of these logs. And I'm going to slow it down here a couple more times. You're going to see what he does to try to avoid some huge trees. I mean, we're talking huge trees that have branches and leaves are still on them that got uprooted by this water. Yeah, so he's keeping an eye out for, debris as he's continuing to enjoy this beautiful wave that he caught. Yeah, he's showing off now. Look at him doing a paddle swirl thing and just enjoying it. Now he just cutting that thing up. Man, he's just super good at it. Anyway, he's jumping over that debris there so he wouldn't hurt his kayak. This is a fiberglass base kayak, if I remember correctly. And here comes the big debris coming out. In the water. First big log. Here's the next one. I'm going to slow it down here for you guys so you can see it. Look at that. That's a huge log. But what's coming next like I mentioned earlier, is this tree where the branches are still on it.
shot.
The leaves are still on it. He goes, he's paddling, trying to get out of the way, man. Because there's those limbs are sticking under the water, and if it catches him, it'll probably drag him down there, man.
Dang, a lot
So,
of debris in the
you know,
water
and that
line.
made him lose his way, but hey, that's better than getting dragged down by that tree. So as I'm losing it, I'm pulling up trying to find him, and you can see he's trying to find a spot to get out and walk back up to where in the lower right hand quadrant, see those people laying there on the blankets? Yeah, so there he is, way over there. So it looks like he found a spot to get out. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, give me some love back, guys, and hit that subscribe button. All right. We'll see you in future videos. Bye-bye.